The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. What's your boss? What's your boss? Oh, boss, the boss a little hook with you. Hey, hey. I'm not sure you mean. Out there. Oh, boss. Yeah. I am mean. Yeah, take on. Hey.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video I'm presenting to you videos that are out on social media, and I'm going to tell you what I think about these videos, and you can also let me know what you think about these videos as well. Alright, you can also let me know if you think I am right or if I'm wrong according to the things that I'm about to say about these videos. And I'm presenting these videos to you to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, and because these videos are getting a buzz on social media as well. Alright, now I just presented to you a video that shows a person riding a motorcycle, and according to what has been said on social media is that the person is said to be a one-legged man. You see me? Now viewers and subscribers, I look at the video and I found what had happened in this video to be amusing, isn't it? To see the person riding the motorcycle, said to be one-legged and changing the gear with his hand. Viewers and subscribers, I mean, I find it to be dangerous, but I think it is amusing as well. You see what I say? But you can let me know what you think. And I'm going to move on to another video right now, you see? Now, this video that I'm going to present to you, according to what I've been said on social media, is that this video shows a man crying because a female took his money and gone. You see me? Some places on social media it is said that a female took his money and leave him. But however, we are going to take a look at this video and see if we can get a better understanding as to what had happened according to some of the things that this person said in this video. You understand? So I'm going to take a look at this video and observe.
How you doing that?
Now when Tigger here the first $15,000 when me and her work on the side, she said of course my money back here has too much money.
And you just got them on there?
I'm 30,000 I will give you, son, Jesus.
Stop it stressing no man.
My God, hey, that's it, Jesus Christ.
You cannot stress yourself.
That's it.
What's this, man?
That's it. You
Yes,
tell me
man.
they come blood clot, come touch it.
One peak, you just want to sit
Me
near
never
and
grow it
calm.
up, Tim,
You
that's
just
it.
want to sit near and calm.
You said me left from where you can get money. And come over, me left them over here.
Jesus Christ.
Then me come and notice that Tigger stand up out of the grill and I say, what you say?
I stole me a look
And then
at
you say you done?
way.
Okay, done you done. Alright, I'm still turn up there. I did me did here figure.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, there's a question that I want to ask. You see me? I'm wondering if this man was in a intimate relationship with this female, like boyfriend and girlfriend. You see me I say? Because, I look at the video and, according to some of the things that the person said, it would seem so to me. You understand? Because the person, like the person showing so much emotions behind it and all these things. I mean, the person mentioned about money. You understand? It would seem as if this female got money from this man more than once, according to some of the things that I heard. But however, that's what I think. You can let me know if I'm wrong or I'm right, and you can let me know what you think as well. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video right about now, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, you're going to see a person yelling and cussing and shouting and saying some very harsh languages. You see me? On social media, it is said that the person was in a hostile confrontation with another person, and because of that, the person was yelling and saying some harsh languages towards the person that the person was in a confrontation with. You see me I say? Now, in this video, you're going to hear some persons saying some things that are considered to be jeering, mocking, and also bootsing. Yes, so I said to your viewers and subscribers, and I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and also that I would like to point it out that it is okay to walk away from hostile confrontations, no matter what anyone said. You understand me? Alright, anyways, I'll make you take a look at this video with me first and then we'll talk a little bit more about this video. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
He intimidate bomber clad. Come on, never fuck me. Suck your mother. But do me something if you're bad. Come here, come to batty boy. I want to give you a batty boy. I want to give you a bomber clad time. What you call now, man?
Yeah, why run for a war, Jay?
Take a man free, I don't want the man.
Why run?
Batty boy. A long time you don't like a black boy, the bad mind, man.
Wanna run from the white? Yeah, wanna run, I wanna turn up. Wanna run, I wanna turn up there. You say wanna run? Who wanna run? Sing up and run. Who wanna run? Wanna run from war, brother? I don't run from war. So I'm paid by you want. So you want to do? I'm paid.
Nobody, you're prison, but you're man fucking up prison.
So I'm paid, brother.
Man fucking up prison, boy. But suck your mother.
The most you want, build dog. You want paid, brother.
Viewers and subscribers, could it be that the man have somewhat of a mental illness? See me? Some persons might say a madman. So I'm wondering, you know, maybe this person is mentally ill. You see me? Me not judge a book by the cover, but me just I say this according to how the person is acting and all these things. You see me? And you see the next thing again, when it comes down to the mocking and the jeering and all those things, you see me, I don't really support mocking and jeering and, you know, saying these things towards a person, trying to see if you can get them to go fight and them things. I don't support that, you see me? I do not find anything wrong with walking away from hostile confrontation, alright? But anyways, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, viewers and subscribers. And you see this video that I'm about to present to you, viewers and subscribers, this video shows a person saying some things that I consider to be positive things, you see me? Now, the way how this person said these things, viewers and subscribers, you know, persons on social media found it funny. You see what I said to you? Yeah, so it's like the person that tries to say something positive, but it's just the way how the person said it. Alright, now it's not really a long video, but I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe.
But you want man with markets, me follow them in there some mama. That we are constipate pan. You understand that we are constant spring pan. No man with no markets. Foul we can make money.
Viewers and subscribers, and I understand what the person is trying to say. You understand? I understand the point that the person is trying to make. Yes, so I said to you, the point that the person is trying to make, or at least the point that I think the person is trying to make, is that he's talking about females running down men with expensive vehicles. You see me? But however, he's trying to keep his mind on raising chicken or making money. You see me? Or focus on making money, which, you know, the person shows something that would seems to be a pen or with Kuba or so forth. You see me? Well, anyways, let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. And if you want to contact seriousskilla, just read the description down below this video and choose one of the options to contact seriousskilla. Yes, me, you see me? And if you want to be immediately notified as I put a video out there on YouTube, just click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Alright? Alright, and as I do that, yeah, you will be notified immediately as I put a video out there on YouTube. Alright, so here's where I'm gonna leave it. So until the next time, my name is seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.